this is Joan Navarre and Buya. We are here at Yaki Mix. This is Christmas Day and we are having our Christmas lunch buffet, Asian style. So I'm having a sushi plate and barbecue right here. Now my tutorial for this video is how to use the chopstick. So, Bea, can you demonstrate how old were you when you started using the chopstick? As around that time. So I taught Bea how to use the chopstick when she was young. So it's like automatic. The adults turn out to be more difficult to teach. So it's hard for us, especially Filipinos, because we actually don't use chopsticks. We use our hands and fingers when we eat. Just pick it up, eat. But now, let's try using the chopsticks. So first, the technique is to hold the chopstick midway like this, as if you're holding a pencil. So there are two parts of the chopsticks, the non-moving and the moving part. This one would be the non-moving part. Hold it like this and make the chopstick rest on your middle finger like this, as if you're holding a pencil. And the other one, so move your thumb a little bit and hold the other one by holding your index finger and your thumb, and this is now your moving part. So that way you can pick up your food easier. So just do it like this, like a scissor, and then you can eat your food this way. And you can even dip it in command, so, and also use this. We don't have an Ilonggo word for chopstick because this is not native to the Philippines. So let's just come up with another Ilonggo word like KAON. KAON is eat. So when you invite someone else to eat with you, you say KAON TA. Let's eat. Te. So, let's eat. KAON TA. This is Joan Navarre. And, yeah, say Merry Christmas everyone. Maayong Pasko sa inyong 2019. Bye.